Hi, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Hey, if you're having trouble with the Bluetooth in your car, not connecting with the Bluetooth on your phone, let me show you how I reset the Bluetooth in my car so it now does connect, okay? You know, I've had trouble with my Bluetooth in my car. I have a Ford EcoSport, and occasionally the Bluetooth will just forget what it's doing and it won't connect to my phone, so I can't use the phone through the car or any of my apps. Like I have XM satellite app and I can play it my radio on my phone. So I talked to the Ford dealer and asked them, well, how do I reset that? Just the Bluetooth. Only thing they could come up with was disconnect the car battery. Well, that resets everything. You lose radio stations and various things like that. So I got to fooling around and I actually found a way to do it, and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, now there's only about 4 steps is all it takes. So you got your car running here. So the first thing you want to do is turn the car off. Okay. Now, open the door. That clears everything. It turns off all the accessories like the radio and various things like that. Okay. Now, next thing you want to do is open the car door. See your lock button right there? Lock it. Now, when I shut the door, listen to what it does, okay? Hear that? That is resetting the Bluetooth in the car. Not resetting everything else, just the Bluetooth, and I don't think it does anything else. So now it takes about 2 minutes, longer the better, but at least 2 minutes for it to reset. Then you're going to restart your car, okay? Okay, after 2 minutes now, go back in here and start your car again. Now watch what the radio does. When the radio comes up, it'll connect to my phone. See, they're connecting right there. Galaxy 21 connected. And there is my app for the satellite radio. Give it a few seconds and it'll go in and get your phone book and all that kind of stuff. So if we go over here to phone, there we are. Recent call list. There's calls I just made or have come in either way. There's my contacts. So everything works. Now, go back over here. I can source. There's my Galaxy S21. There's my satellite radio. We go to FM radio or the phone. I can now play my Sirius XM radio app on my car. So that's how you reset your Bluetooth on the Ford EcoSport. Now, I'm assuming it will probably work with other Fords. I don't know if it works with the other makers or not, but you can try it and see. So it's 4 easy steps. Turn the car off, open the door to clear everything, open the door again, lock the door, shut the door, and give it a couple of minutes and restart the car. All right. So we showed you how to reset it. I hope that helps you. I want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. You got a lot more of these. Go check out the playlist. Leave us a comment. Tell us what you think. Also, check out the description below. I have links to Amazon where you can find a lot of these. Okay? Thanks for watching and see you next time.